In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if Windows Defender or Windows Security is not working on your Toshiba laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, on how to resolve it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So the first thing I want to note is in the event that you have multiple antiviruses installed on your device, you may need to pause or remove the other conflicting antivirus because they'll often conflict with one another. That's why Windows security may be turned off. So that's the first thing I'd recommend looking at. Something else we can try here, if that isn't what the problem is, would be to open up the search menu and type in settings, best result, come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select system on the left panel, and then on the right side, you want to scroll down and select where it says system components. Scrolling down again, locate Windows Security, and then select the three-dotted icon next to it, and select Advanced Options. Scrolling down again, underneath Reset, if the system component isn't working right, reset it. The system components data will be deleted. Select Reset again, and then once that's done, I would suggest closing out of here, restart your device, and then hopefully you should be good to go. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.